Hi, my name is Pirogova, and I'm an illustrator of children's books. I have been drawing since my childhood, and I can say that I have realized my dream in life. Every day I devote myself to this fascinating activity, constantly looking for new approaches, following trends in the world of illustration, participating in contests and marathons. I have already created more than 30 projects. I like to find in visual language for completely different stories. Sometimes they are funny fairy tales, sometimes instructive, and sometimes serious life stories. But there is something that unites all my illustrations. I am closer to soft, mute palettes, texture. It's important to me that there is a sense of life in the illustrations. My favorite themes in illustration are nature, animals, themes growing up, the inner world of man. I'm close to books that reveal social and ecological problems. More often I work in digital painting, but more and more I want to return to live materials, watercolor, gouache, pencils, to find new techniques for creating illustrations. I like it when the result is a bit unpredictable. I am currently working on illustration for several books. I am also creating my own other project. I want to participate more in illustration fairs, competitions and festivals. Illustration is my way of looking closely at the world.